Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your bare face on CapCut PC using their enhancement features. So if you just selected a photo, you can also use videos for this. Go to enhance and you're going to scroll down and there's a lot of options. You can kind of like brighten your face, smooth it out, have no dark circles, like delete it, brighten your face, also make your teeth a little bit wider. And if you scroll down here and if you go to makeup, you can add in makeup. So they have like these sets where you can add in like everything on your like person. And here you can adjust the opacity on that, or you can add it one by one. For instance, you just want to add in some more lashes. She doesn't need that. So let's go to eyeshadow and select one. Maybe like this one, and then go to lipstick and add in some color to her lips and stuff like that. And that is basically it, really. You can also adjust their like face, like how slim you want it to be, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.